Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy sprouts egg omelette recipe, ideal as a protein and fiber rich meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I have already added 2 eggs. Add in half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, a splash of water, and with a fork I'm giving this all a good whisk. Once lightly whisked, I am adding in half onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped or as needed, 1 cup mung sprouts. I have already shared how to make mung sprouts at home. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, a sprig of fresh curry leaves, and give this all a good mix. I'm heating my cast iron tawa with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, add in the egg mix. Lightly spread the egg mix into a round omelette. Cover it with the lid and let it cook on low flame. 2 minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over and allow that side to get cooked for another 2 minutes. Also remember that I'm using a well-seasoned cast iron tawa, which not only is non-sticky but also will retain heat. So make sure you're using a well-seasoned cast iron tawa if you're using cast iron tawa. Otherwise, the omelette will stick to the tawa. 2 minutes later, lightly press down with the spatula just to make sure that the egg is nicely cooked. About a minute later, turn off the flame and transfer to a serving plate. Just before serving, sprinkle freshly ground black pepper powder and a sprinkle of chaat masala. This is entirely optional. And my super healthy sprouts omelette is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So guys, do try this quick and easy healthy sprouts omelette and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.